Broken heart or Swiss cheese is known for its resilience, but even the toughest plants show signs of stress, and yellow leaves are a major cry for help. Today we are diving deep into the why and most importantly, the how to bring your plant back to life. First, let's talk about the causes. Yellowing leaves can be triggered by several factors, each sending a specific message about your plant's health. They thrive in consistently moist soil and should not be left to dry out completely between waterings. If the leaves feel crispy and yellow, it's likely your plant is thirsty. If you're allowing the soil to become bone dry before watering, underwatering is likely the issue. To fix this, increase your watering frequency. If you forgot to water or soil in the pot become hard and hydrophobic, best way is to bottom water your plant to saturate the soil fully. In spring and summer months, water your plant when 25% of the topsoil is dry. In winter, let the topsoil dry out 50%. The second most common reason is opposite of the first reason. When roots sit in soggy soil, they cannot breathe. Broken heart plants are tropical but prefer well-draining soil. Overwatering tends to be a more serious issue than underwatering. If your plant is overwatered, the soil will remain wet for several days, feeling heavy and waterlogged by the time yellow leaves appear. It's often an indication that root rot has begun. To fix overwatering, remove the plant from its pot and soil. Depending on the extent of the root rot, you have two options. If the root rot is minor and most of the roots are healthy, trim away the affected roots and repot the plant in fresh soil. If the root rot is severe, it may be necessary to start anew by propagating the plant. Take healthy stem cuttings and root them in water or soil to grow a new plant. While broken hearts can tolerate low light conditions, their growth will slow significantly, and insufficient light may cause their leaves to turn yellow. Pay attention to the amount of light your plant receives and relocate it to a brighter spot if needed to maintain its health and vibrant foliage. If your broken heart isn't getting enough light, it will shed leaves to conserve energy. To resolve this, place it near a bright window where it can see the sky and receive bright indirect light. If natural light is limited due to obstructions like foliage or buildings, consider supplementing with a grow light to ensure your plant gets enough light. Inspect the underside of the leaves for tiny intruders like spider mites or mealybugs. These pests feed on your plant's sap, leading to yellow, weakened foliage. Remove any severely damaged foliage, then treat the plant with an insecticide or natural solution like neem oil. Continue applying to the treatment regularly until the pests are completely eradicated, which may take several weeks. Nitrogen deficiency is another common cause of yellowing leaves. Nitrogen is essential for chlorophyll production, which gives leaves their green color and helps with energy conversion. Indoor plants deplete the nitrogen in their soil quickly, making regular fertilization important. If moisture and light seem fine, try adding a nitrogen-rich fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, and stop feeding in fall and winter. Before my pro tip, here's one more thing. Is your Monstera producing new growth? If you notice new leaves emerging and the yellowing is limited to the older leaves, particularly at the base of the plant, this is a natural process. The plant is shedding its older leaves to redirect energy towards fresh, new growth. And now, here's my pro tip. Broken heart plants love humidity. If your home has dry air, place some water bowls near the plant to mimic its natural tropical habitat or use a humidifier. Healthy humidity levels can work wonders. Hope you liked the info, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.